everybody, welcome back to Tech Help Guys. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google AdSense account. So for those of you who are not familiar, Google AdSense is, well, an ads-based platform that Google had developed in order for you to properly market your website to various platforms on Google. There are three things that you need in order to set up an AdSense account. The first one is a Google account. The second one is a telephone number and a postal address. And the third one is a website to connect to AdSense. So to sign up, just click on Get Started right here. Select your Google account. And automatically it will create the account for you. There are just some things you need to enter first, like your account, your site. But if you don't have a site, then definitely uh you can skip that part. And then you just need to select out a region. And then from there, it will bring you to this interface right here. So now this is the main interface. This is the site you connected to AdSense. You can either add another site or you can also delete or remove this site, the one that you have added during the account creation. Over here, you'll find three things: the required information that you need for the payments to AdSense, and the same time for the ad revenues and such. So you can enter your address and your phone number here as well, but that's optional. The phone number is optional. And then here, you can also see how your ads will look like on a website right here. So this is an ad settings preview. So these are the different types of ads available, different ad formats. You have your banner ads, multiplex ads, you have related search ads, and whatnot. So that those are the in-page formats. You also have the overlay formats. Overlay formats are the anchor ads, side rail ads, and vignette ads. So you can view here either mobile or desktop. Going back, this is where you need to connect your site to AdSense. This is a required feature. So you need to connect it via here. So you can place the HTML tag here or the ads.txt file, or you can also place a code here, your AdSense code right there. And then on the left corner of the screen, you'll find the different tools that you'll need. So you have here your ads, your sites, or the sites where your ads will, or the sites that you have connected. You can manage it here as well. You have privacy and messaging here, brand safety, and then of course you have analytics and reports. And finally, payments. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.